Are you failing your road test again and again because of parallel parking? Let me show you the tested formula now. You can do the parallel parking right each and every time. When you're going for the road test, just remember, examiner going to explain you how to do the parallel parking. First, I will tell you what is the examiner expecting from you. When you are going for the road test, they will explain you how to do the parallel parking. So you have the 4 minutes, 3 tries, and each try you have the 3 moves. So that meaning if you touch any parking pole, it's critical mistake. If you touch the curb in the parallel parking, it's okay, but you cannot run over the curb. In Manitoba, you are going to do the parallel parking between the parking pole and you can touch the curb, but you cannot go over the curb. Now let me show you how to master the parallel parking. Okay, let's start doing the parallel parking now. Before we start moving, we'll do the left signal and telling another driver you are moving into the traffic. Make sure no car coming from front and the back. Left signal on, and I will put the car in the drive. Make sure no car coming front and the back. Then I will start moving. I will turn off the signal. Now I will do the right signal to show my attention. I'm doing the parallel parking, and I'm going close to the parking pole as much I can go. Now I'm just going parallel. Along my front bumper is parallel to the pole. I will stop, put the car in the reverse. Now we'll check 360 degree. Make sure no car coming from the back. How are we going to check a 360 degrees? We'll check all 3 mirrors: right side mirror, rear view mirrors, left side mirror, and looking over the shoulder. And I will go back until the middle pole came in the rear middle window. My pole is already in the middle of the window. Now I will stop, turn right signal on. I will turn all the way to the right and then lock the steering wheel. Now I'm looking over the left shoulder and will go back until I see the outside pole middle the window. Now my pole is middle the window. I will turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and lock the steering wheel. Now I'm checking the right side and we are going back slowly. I'm looking the back pole, make sure I'm not hitting, and same time I'm checking the side curve. We will go back until side curve is parallel to the car. Now my car is parallel. I will steady the steering wheel. We will move forward a little bit to center the car. Now my car is parallelly parked. That way you can master your parallel parking. For more video tips, follow us.